Package includes you will receive 10 pieces nail stamping plate, simplicity design, clear pattern, sufficient quantity. I believe you will fall in love with nail art. Each template is in the size of 12, 5 by 6 cm, 4.72 in by 2.36 in. Fashion design. The nail stamp kit have different beautiful patterns like flowers, mandala patterns, geometry, stripes, lovely animals, fruits and more. You can choose any nail plate to make good nail design with stamper what you want. High quality material. Our nail stamps are made of 304 stainless steel, no bend, sturdy and durable. The nail plates has the right etching depth and can contain enough nail stamp polish. You can easily get beautiful stamping design. Fit for all. Exquisite nail stamping polish suitable for both beginners and experienced ones. Great for nail polish, UV gel, artificial acrylic nails, etc. Also a best gift for girlfriend, mother, daughter. Warm note: the nail art templates need to use together with professional the stamping nail polish. The regular nail polish can't be applied to transfer nail image from the plate. Top reviews from the United States. Cute designs. I couldn't wait to use this right away. Even though stamping isn't my thing, this palette made me want to do it more because there are so many designs.